Very good morning to you all, dear viewers. Welcome to another episode from the English 101 UK with Idris Mercy. And it's lovely to see you coming back again. The other day we had the personal, subject and the object pronouns. Besides that, in today's lesson, we are going to have the passive adjectives. But you know what? Let's leave it there just for now so that I can have my cuppa first before we start. Believe me, you can't beat a British cuppa. Okay, well, passive adjectives are used to show a form of possession, ownership, or are expressed to show a close relationship with someone or something. And here is its list: my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Moreover, here is a table which contains both of personal pronouns and passive adjectives. And the first one to come is I is a personal pronoun, while my is a passive adjective. You is a pronoun, your is an adjective. He is a pronoun, his is an adjective. She is a pronoun, her is an adjective. It is a pronoun, its is an adjective. We is a pronoun, our is an adjective. And finally, they is a pronoun, while their is an adjective. Alright? Alright. Here we are again, moving on to more examples. My car is bigger than his car. What is your name? His friend is very friendly. Her name is Michelle. Look at the cell phone. Its screen is broken. Our cat is always licking its tail. That's why we sold our cat too. They forget their homework on the table. Dear viewers, before we end this lesson, here is a quick summary of what we have learned in it. In a short, passive adjective generally comes before a noun and it's used to show or to indicate a position, ownership of something, and a relationship with someone or something. Well, I hope that this lesson was a piece of cake for you. For more videos, please stay tuned. Until that time, enjoy yourselves. Bye.
All praises to Allah. 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 All praises to Allah.